Okay, welcome to CODJ. Now I will explain to you about how to cut the bamboo with this big knife. Yeah, how to cut bamboo is very simple way. You should make sure that the bamboo not break. Yeah, so I will cut in here. So this is the rose. Rose is I will use that one. Yeah, that one. So I should cut from rose before rose. Yeah, because if I cut in here, this one will be break. Yeah, if I cut here, this one will be okay. Yeah, not break. Yeah, but look at that. How to cut it? It's only simple like this, like this. Yeah, like this, like this. Front. We will cut front like this. Yeah. Okay. And okay, 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 finish. Yeah. This is the rose, yeah. Look at that. And this is the not rose, and this is will be okay and will not break, but this will be break. Yeah, look at that. Break. Yeah. Okay. If you think this video is useful, please support us and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.